Class 12th, English, Important Application, by Shiran Ma'am. Write a letter to the postmaster of head post office to complain against the postman of your area. You are Priyanshi Batra, residing at 17 Ekta Colony, Guna. Answer. 2. The postmaster, head post office, Guna. Subject: complaining against the postman. Respected sir, I want to draw your attention towards carelessness of the postman of our area. He is very lazy and irregular. He comes once or twice in a week. He does not bring letters on time. So, I request you to look into this matter and take necessary action. Yours faithfully, Priyanshi Batra, 17 Ekta Colony, Guna. Write an application to the principal requesting him to issue you a character certificate, as you have to submit it in the office of collector for your selection in the Revenue Department, 56 Brahmpuri, Jaipur, 25 June 2024. 2. The principal, G. H. S. Khudal Bujurg, Indore MP, Koshtak. Subject: an application to issue character certificate. Respected sir, ma'am, I am writing this letter to you to request you to issue a character certificate to the effect that I have selected in a revenue department. I have to submit character certificate in collector office as soon as possible. I request you to issue my character certificate as soon as possible. Thank you. Your faithfully. Write an application for imposing restriction on the use of loudspeaker. 2. The collector, Indore. Subject: application for imposing restriction on the use of loudspeakers. Sir, I beg to state that our board examinations are at hand. Our study is disturbed too much due to noise made by loudspeakers. From early morning till late in the night, loudspeakers blare out bhajans, harsh music and advertisements. We are not able to concentrate on studies due to loud noise. I request you to kindly impose restriction on the use of loudspeakers at least till our examinations are over. Thanking you in anticipation. Yours sincerely, Khushi Verma, B205, Jeevan Vihar, Indore, 29 November 20. Write an application to your principal requesting him to issue you school leaving certificate SLC. As your father has been transferred from Indore to Rewa. Ans. 2. The principal, Government, New Model HS. School, Indore, Sub, an application for school leaving certificate. Respected sir, I beg to say that I am regular student of XA in your school. As my father has been transferred from Indore to Rewa, therefore I kindly request you to issue me my SLC at the earliest, so I may take further admission. Thanking you sir, yours faithfully, Rakesh Gupta. Date, July 25, 2019. Write a letter to M.S. Dipali Stationery Mart, New Market, Ratlam, asking them to send their rates in terms of supply of stationery items. Answer. Dated March 13, 2022. The Sales Manager, M.S. Dipali Stationery Mart, New Market, Ratlam. Subject: inquiry letter regarding stationery. Dear Sir, Madam, we would like to purchase articles of stationery, like pencil, erasers, pens, carbon paper and other stationeries from you. It would be kind of you to mail us your terms and conditions for the above mentioned articles of stationery. Please also mention the discount on bulk purchase and your mode of payment. An early reply is awaited. Thanking you, Office Superintendent. Write a letter to the collector of your district about the lack of facilities and malfunctioning of the government hospital of your area. Answer. 207, Ramesh Nagar, Bhopal MP, March 6, 2020. 2. The Collector, District Bhopal MP. Sub, malfunctioning of the government hospital, Bhopal. Sir, I beg to draw your kind attention to the lack of facilities and malfunctioning of the government hospital of your area. There are only 2 types of fresh water taps which are insufficient. Most of the patients have to drink water from stored in tanks for days together. The toilets also remain unclean most of the time. I shall be greatly obliged if you could look into the matters. Thanking you in anticipation. Yours faithfully, Himan. Like, share and subscribe.